Provide proper safety equipment, such as goggles and proper gloves. First, set the unit pressure to 0. Then open the drain valve with an Allen key. Make sure to reset the machine. Set the pressure to 0.5 bars. The glue will now come out of the drain tap. Do this until the glue looks clean. Set the unit pressure to 0 and close the drain valve again. Increase the pressure again.